Hello, today I'll be showing you a loc retwist and a loc style on one of my loyal clients who has been coming to me since 2018. We started her loc journey in 2020. I start my client's service off by shampooing her hair with the Design Essentials Oat Protein and Henna Deep Cleansing Shampoo. This shampoo helps to promote fuller, thicker, and stronger hair, and it adds volume to fine, thinning, or limp hair. It has a natural blend of botanical moisturizers that help smooth the hair shaft, while the oat protein and henna work to strengthen the hair strands. This cleansing shampoo can also be used daily or weekly because it has a very gentle formula, and it is perfect for all hair types. With all my clients, I typically do 2 shampoos to ensure the hair is clean. Rinsing the locks, I normally typically squeeze the locks out to ensure that all shampoo residue is left out of the locks. My client decided today that she had an inspiration picture, and the inspiration picture was 2-strand twist. So that's what we're going to be doing today. When doing her locks or starting her locks, I actually started with the coil method. So I actually use the comb when I actually go in to retwist her locks every 2 weeks. In order to make sure the lock is smooth and there's no frizz, I ensure that all hair that is out or has come out of the lock during the shampoo is wrapped back around the lock to create a smooth surface. And I use a minimum amount of the Jamaican and lime firm wax to hold the hair in place. I use only 1 clip the entire service, and that's only to hold the 1 lock while I maintain and ensure the other lock maintenance has been performed. When I actually 2-strand the 2 locks together, I turn one into itself, so one counterclockwise and the other counterclockwise, to ensure if the rubber band that I secure the end of the lock with pops, that the 2 locks will not come unraveled. This is her final look. It's very neat. It's very corporate approved. I also maintain her husband's locks as well, and this is his locks. We decided on doing another loc style today. His loc journey started last year, June, so he'll be coming up on his year anniversary next month. And I also maintain his facial hair as well. If you need your locks done, look me up, give me a call, be true to you. Peace.